In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create a shop within Easy Peasy Funnels. Now, I was looking at Easy Peasy and I love the platform, but there was one thing that it didn't have that was easy. Everything else was easy, but the one thing that it didn't have was a shop. And I wanted a way to sell my digital products and courses, mini courses, in an easy way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a course in like a little mini course, and how to add it to your shop and all the other digital products that you might like planners and workbooks and journals that you might have created, and show you how you can create a shop inside Easy Peasy Funnels. Hi, I'm Bev Jessup, and I'm a therapist and a coach, and I help other therapists and coaches and creatives to get their business online by showcasing the tools and the tech tools so that they're not overwhelmed. So if you're interested in all things tech and want to know how to get your business, your skills, your talents out there in the real world, then stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Let's get to it. Okay, so I have already created one lesson inside here, and I wanted to show you what it was like inside PayHip when you look at one of your lessons. So let's just click on here, and you can see it's an embedded YouTube lesson that I've put in here, and then I've put a little blurb at the bottom, and this is the PDF that I've attached. So that PDF is actually for the whole workshop. And they can just download it and print it off and watch the videos as they go along, and then click complete and continue to the next one. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you are putting in your content. So I'm going to go back to the curriculum, and first of all what I want to do is start right from the beginning. You can see now my branding workshop is actually in draft form. Okay, so we're going to go to dashboard, and you can see it says here add new. So when you're creating a new product, you just click here, add new, and what it does is it takes you through these different things that you can add. So a digital product, a course, a membership, a physical product, a coaching service, and a bundle. So I've clicked on the course. Okay, so I'm just going to click out of here now, and I'm just going to carry on managing this one. So we're going to go back into here. You can see now that this is what it looks like, which is not the kind of picture I want. Okay, so we will change that in a minute. So let's just go back to the dashboard and manage this, and we're going to add a new lesson. So my lessons are actually on a different platform that I use called Easy Peasy. So let me just show you what that looks like. So this is Easy Peasy, and I've got all my lessons in here, and so I absolutely love Easy Peasy, but I'll show you that in a different way. And this is what it looks like inside Easy Peasy, but I wanted to sell this inside PayHip, because PayHip has a shopping cart facility, whereas Easy Peasy doesn't. Okay, so now you know that it's all in here. If I went back to my Easy Peasy account here, you can see that I've gone through step 1. So we're just going to go back here and go to step 2, which is the brand story. I can download the video, but I've already downloaded the video actually, and I've put it into YouTube. Now in PayHip I could pay for video hosting in PayHip, but actually in Easy Peasy, what's really good about Easy Peasy is that the video hosting is all included in the price. So I'm not going to download it from here, but it has already been put into YouTube as an unlisted. So now I'm going to show you what I do next. So we're here in the branding thing, I'm going to add a new lesson. The lesson that I want to do next, if you look at number 2, is your brand story. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to type in here. So what I'm going to do is click on new section. I'm going to call this step 2. And I had it all in capital letters, so let's be consistent. Save. Okay, so now you can see step 2, new lesson. And the lesson here is your brand story. Just delete that bit. Okay, so that's in there, and then we go to video, and I'm not going to select a video. What I'm going to do is scroll down here. So if I clicked upload a video, I would have to pay. If you click there, it says something like it's £5 a month or something like that, but I'm going to embed the lesson from YouTube instead, so that's what I'm going to do. So you go into video, lesson type, and I'm going to click here, embed. Now I could embed a video, but as I said, it cost me. I can embed text, I can embed a download, an assignment, a quiz, you know, there's loads of different things I could do, but I'm just going to go for the easy option of going to embed code in here. And to get the code, I go to my YouTube channel, and you can see this one was the code that I did originally, and I'm just going to go back to my list, and I'm going to type in branding here, and you can see all the different branding videos. So I'm going to go to step 2 here. I'm going to go into YouTube, and this is the branding video. Now to get the embed code, I click on share, I go to embed, I highlight all that code, I copy it, and then I go back to my branding bit there, and I embed it over here. There you go. Then you can see that I have probably put in some text in here, in this section here. So I'm just going to copy that, highlight it, Control C, and then I'm going to go back to my edit lesson, and I'm going to add it here, space it out a bit, right, and then I don't think I've got any more lessons, anything I need to add there really. No, there's no more files because there's only one file that I needed to put in there, so that is fine. I don't need to put any other downloads in there, and I just click publish lesson, enable discussions on this lesson if you want to, and remove margins from the course player, and then I'm going to click save changes. So as easy as that, you can now see, we look at all the course lessons, you can see that it's all in here. So if I wanted to go into this one, there it is, the one we've just put in. So it's as easy as that. And so if you want to then upload it into your store, you can do that as well. So let's just go back so I can show you that. So I go back to the curriculum here, and you can see that there are settings that I could put in there. I could upload a product thumbnail. So I'm just going to get one very quickly from another place. I'm going to just take a snip and snatch or something. I'm just going to put it like that. And then I'm going to save that screenshot, and I'm going to see if I can upload it in there. So there it is. It's actually saying there's I can delete it here, but we'll see what it looks like inside here. And then you can put your name, Beverly Jessup, you could put an image of yourself. So I've got some images of myself here, so I think I'll put that one in. And I don't know if you want to put anything else. Okay, I'm going to save. I'm going to automatically subscribe people to my mailing list, so I have connected an email provider in there. And anything about the course, let me just save that so I don't have to do it again. Let's have a look at the course player settings. There's a dark theme and a light theme. There's a button color now. My logo color, my branding color is this one. If I can find it, then you'd be able to see it really easily. Let's just go back. Okay, so that color there, we're going to put that in there. This is in Easy Peasy. This is what it looks like in Easy Peasy. You can see it's very, very professional looking, isn't it? So I'm just going to get this color here, just show you. That's the hex code there. It's this tool here is really, really useful. It's called Color Dropper, and you can get it in the Google Store as a Chrome extension. So I'm going to go into here, and I'm just going to change the button background. Say, put the hex code in here. There you go. And you can see that that will be completely different. And then it says upload a logo. So I have got a logo. Let's just go to my pictures. I'm going to type in logo here. That one there, Maven. And there it is. And we're going to save that. So I'm going to actually put that code in there as well. Okay, so let's just save that and preview. So now you can see I've got a little bit of branding in there with my colors, and you can just have a play around with that and let me know how you get on. So once the course is all sorted out, you can then put it on in your store. So when you go to pages up here, you can view your sales page, which at the moment looks like that. So you don't want it to look like that, do you? So I will do another video to show you how that is changed, but I really, really like the feel of it, the ease of it. This is, let's have a view of the checkout page. We haven't got one because we haven't put the pricing on, so we need to do that. Let's have a look at the thank you page, and that's what that looks like. Okay, so I wanted to share with you my store, what it looks like at the moment. So I'm going to click on store here, go to launch store builder, and here it is. This is what the store looks like. So you could buy these journals and workbooks and planners that I have. So for example, this one, if I click on there, you can see some pictures that are in there. Self-care journal, it tells you a little bit about it and about the sizing. You can put your share links in there, and you've even got what you might also like. I've added my privacy policy in there, and it's all published, so I could add that to the cart and it'll be there, and if I want to remove it, I can remove it. So it's really, really simple. So when I add it to the cart, you'll notice that we'll go to checkout, and you can pay by PayPal or with a card, and you have the option to send me more details. So that was really easy to do as well. So I just thought I'll share that with you. We've also got a contact page, and we can go back to the shop. Really easy navigation. So I'm really pleased with that. And in fact, what I've done is I've then gone into Easy Peasy, I've gone into my sites and to my website, which is Maven Business Haven, and you can see my shop now in here. I've created this shop page inside Easy Peasy on my website. That's the shop page there. And what I've done is I've just embedded, I put a picture in here, I've put a button little bit up here. I'm trying to get a lead magnet, and then all they have to do is click on here, and it takes them to this page. So how easy is that to have a shop inside Easy Peasy? So I just thought I'll share that with you as well. Thank you for watching until the end. If you want more information on how to build your website, funnels, courses, memberships and email list, then visit mavenbusinesshaven.com/tools, and there you'll see all the information. See you next week.